Hello and welcome. I'm so excited that you could join me. I wanted to welcome you back to class, everyone. We're going to start today with counting by fives. Now, a lot of people may wonder, why do we need to learn how to count by fives? It's because we use that to tell time and to count money. So, as I write them, feel free to write them on your whiteboard. Here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. If you're still writing, go ahead and finish. I'm going to go ahead and count by fives one more time. Count with me. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. And don't forget, the reason why we're practicing counting by fives is we're going to be learning how to tell time and how to count money. So this will help us do that. Go ahead and clear your board. The next thing we're going to do is count backward from 20 all the way to 0. The reason why we practice this is because this is going to help us with all of the subtraction we're going to be doing. So let's go ahead and begin. Please write on your board as I write on mine. Is everyone ready? We're going to start at 20 and go all the way back to 0. Here we go. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Excellent. We're going to count that one more time. Count with me. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Nice job, everybody. Now, right now, we're going to practice some two-digit numbers. 2 digits means that there are 2 numbers in a number. To begin, here's an example. This is the number 3. There is one number in the number 3. That place value is the ones. If we were to show that as a picture, we would just put 3 little ones. 1, 2, 3. That's how you show the ones. Just itty bitty pieces like that. A 2-digit number has 2 numbers in it. So if I write the number 13, there is a 1 and a 3. This is still the ones place, but this one here is the tens, because this is not a 1. This is actually a 10. And this is just a 3. If we were to show that as a picture, we would draw a 10 stick and 3 ones here. So this is 13. So we're going to be practicing some 2-digit numbers here. Okay? Go ahead and clear your board. I'm going to give you a number, and I'd like you to write the number. And then after writing the number, we're going to draw a picture to show it. So let me do an example. I'm going to say 27. There are 2 tens and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ones. You could do 2 tens like this or go down with your ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Either one, but this is to show that there are 2 tens and 7 ones in 27. Okay? So let me give you another number. You ready? 43. Can you write the number 43? I'll write the number 43. Now I'm going to show it with tens and ones. How many tens does 43 have? This is the tens place value. There are 4, so we'll draw 4 10 sticks. 3, 4. Excellent. How many ones does it have? It has 3 ones. 1, 2, 3. So this is what you should have written on your board. Nice job. Let's do another one. How about 36? 36. Write the number 36 and then draw the picture for it. 36. There are 3 tens and 6 ones. Nice job. I'm going to clear my board. We're going to do 2 more. Here's your next one. How about 15? 15. Show me the number 15. 15. There's 1 10 and there's 5 ones. Nice job. We're going to do 1 more. Here's your very last one. 52. 52. 52. There's 5 tens. If we're going to do tally, we can cross it like this for 5. Okay? And then 2 ones. 52. Nice job. Go ahead and clear your board. Now, one of the things that you have to learn in 1st, 2nd, and 3rd grade are all of your addition and subtraction facts. However, a lot of kids struggle with memorizing them, which means that you know them automatically and you don't have to think about it. Some kids can do that, but other kids have a hard time with that. I have a hard time memorizing mine. So I learned something called touch math. A long time ago, one of my teachers said I shouldn't put down my pencil to count on my fingers when I add and subtract because it interrupts my brain. Instead, she taught me how to touch on the numbers. So that's what I'm going to teach you today. I'm going to teach you the numbers 1 through 5 and how to touch on them. Here we go. This is a number 1. The dot on number 1 goes right up here. And we touch it, say, 1. A 2 has 1, 2. A 3 has 1, 2, 3. A 4 can be shown 2 ways. I will write my 4s like this, but sometimes on a computer you will see a 4 like this. So I will show you both ways, but this will be the 4 that you'll see me use. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. On this one, it's on every corner. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the last number is a 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A lot of times this is the one right here that kids forget. When you do a 5, you got to make sure that there's one on his belly. Okay? So we're going to practice that right now. What I'd like you to do is to get your pen or your marker or your pencil ready, and we're going to fill your paper or your board with ones. When we do it, I want you to draw the 1 and then put the dot on top and say 1. The reason why we do this is because we want your brain to start to memorize how to mark and touch on numbers when you add and subtract. So we're going to fill your board for the next 30 seconds. On your mark, get set, go. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Don't forget every time you make it, you say 1 because you want your brain to see it, write it, hear it. 1, 1, 1. Keep going until the buzzer goes off. Oh, there we go. Excellent. Go ahead and erase your board. The next one we're going to do is the 2. When you do the 2, you're going to write your 2. And you're going to say 1, 2. Don't forget to say 1, 2 as you put the dots because we want your brain to memorize where to touch it when we add and subtract. Okay? On your mark, get set, go. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Nice job, everybody. Go ahead and erase your board. I bet you've guessed the next one we're going to practice is going to be 3. Now, sometimes kids write their 3s like this. That's a backwards 3. I don't want it like this. We want to make it look like this. There you go. It's going to face to the left. And we go 1, 2, 3. Don't forget to count 1, 2, 3 out loud as you write them because we want your brain to write it, see it, and hear it. The more ways your brain thinks about it, the easier it will be to memorize. Here we go. On your mark, get set, go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1. Oh, nice job. Go ahead and clear your board. All right, the next number we're going to do is going to be 4. I'm going to do my 4s like this. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. We do not put 1 here. Okay? Here we go. On your mark, get set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ah, excellent. Nice job, everybody. We're going to go ahead and clear our board. And the very next one we're going to do is going to be 5. Okay? So remember, when you make your 5s, it curls around like this. We put 1, 2, 3. The next one goes all the way over in the middle of his belly. We're going to give him a belly button. 4, 5. Okay? Here we go. On your mark, get set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just going to finish that one up. Nice job, everybody. Now, we didn't just draw numbers and put dots all over them for the fun of it. We are doing that for a very specific reason. Is because when you are ready, we're going to start adding 2-digit plus 2-digit numbers. For example, this number 43 plus 24. Many times kids will add this and drop their pencil and count on their fingers, and it interrupts their brain's thinking. Instead, we're going to count on the numbers. Now, when you write your problem, you want to make sure that your numbers are lined up. You don't want them to be crooked or not lined up properly because you won't be able to add them. You never want to write them sideways because then your numbers won't be lined up and you won't be able to add them correctly. So neither one of those is a good way. You want it just like this, lined up nice and neat. Now when we start to add a 2-digit plus a 2-digit number, we always start in the ones column. And we're going to circle the big number. Which one's bigger, 3 or 4? 4 is bigger, so we're going to circle 4. And then we're going to put our touch points on the 3. Now when we go to count, we're going to start at 4. We are not going to say 4, 1, 2, 3 like we did when we practiced putting the dots on the 3. Instead, the number that's circled is the starting point. 4, 5, 6, 7. And that's how you use the touch points. We're going to use the same thing over here. 4 plus 2 in the tens column. Which one's bigger, the 4 or the 2? Circle the 4 and put your dots on the 2. We are not going to say 4, 1, 2. We're going to start counting at 4. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. So our answer is 67. Nice job. I'm going to give you a few more problems for you to practice this. We have 42 plus 16. We have 35 plus 42. We have 36 plus 53. Go ahead and start the very first problem. I will give you a minute to go ahead and get started. The very first thing we're going to circle is the 6. We're going to put our dots on the 2. We're going to count 6, 7, 8. Next, between the 4 and the 1, we're going to circle the 4. We're going to put a dot on the 1. We're going to touch it, say 4, 5. Our answer is 58. On the next problem, go ahead and solve that one. What number did you circle first? 5. Circle our 5 and put our dots on the 2. Count 5, 6, 7. Nice job. Which one's bigger, 3 or 4? Circle the 4. Put our dots on the 3. 4, 5, 6, 7. Our answer is 77. Go ahead and answer the very last problem. We're going to circle the biggest number, which is the 6. We're going to put our dots on the 3. Touch this 6. Say 6, then count on the 3. 6, 7, 8, 9. Which one's bigger, 3 or 5? 5 is bigger. We're going to circle it. Put our dots on the 3 and count 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice job. Nice job. Your answer is 89. You guys did such a great job today. Thank you so much for all your attention. That concludes our lesson for the day. Don't forget that if you would like some extra practice, it's available. Enjoy the rest of your day and we'll see you tomorrow.